In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a new Asana project for your content calendar. We're going to build a clear, reliable system so you always know what's coming up, who's doing what, and when each piece goes live. Start by creating a new project in Asana. Give it a straightforward name so everyone recognizes it as the home for all content planning. This will be your central hub where ideas move from brainstorming to published. Keep the project in the right team or workspace so your collaborators can access it easily. Next, choose the view that fits how you like to plan: calendar, board, or list. Calendar view is perfect for seeing publishing dates at a glance. Board view gives you a Kanban style workflow with columns that represent stages. List view is great for fast data entry and sorting. You can switch between views at any time, so pick the one that helps you focus and then adjust as your process evolves. Add each content idea as a task. Think of one task per post, video, newsletter, or article. Use a clear title that matches the working headline or topic so it's easy to find later. As ideas come in, capture them immediately so nothing slips through the cracks. Inside each task, include key details: the platform you're publishing on, a draft caption or outline, the deadline, the current status, and who's responsible. Put the caption or notes in the task description so your team can refine it in one place. Set a due date to lock in the schedule and assign the task so ownership is crystal clear. If multiple people are involved, mention them in the comments to coordinate handoffs. To keep everything organized, use custom fields or sections to track stages. Add a stage field with values like idea, drafting, editing, scheduled, and published, or create sections that mirror those steps. You can also add a platform field to label posts for different channels. This structure makes it easy to filter, sort, and update progress without hunting through tasks. Finally, review your calendar regularly to plan, schedule, and track content. Open the calendar at the start of each week to confirm priorities, drag tasks to adjust dates if timing shifts, and scan for anything overdue. As work moves forward, update the status so your pipeline reflects reality. When a piece is complete, mark the task done to keep your calendar clean and your team aligned. With this setup, your Asana project becomes a living content calendar that keeps ideas organized, deadlines visible, and execution smooth from start to finish.